Welcome to our comparison of the top Linux distributions for enterprise and server use. We'll dive into RockyLinux, AlmaLinux, CentOS, and RedHat. Stick around for an in-depth analysis. RockyLinux was born out of a need to fill the void left by CentOS's shift to CentOS Stream. Founded by Gregory Kurtzer, RockyLinux aims to provide a stable and free alternative to RL. One of the key aspects of RockyLinux is its community-driven approach. The project has gained significant traction quickly thanks to its transparent governance model and strong community support. Community support for RockyLinux is robust with active forums, mailing lists, and a vibrant Discord channel. AlmaLinux was launched by CloudLinux Inc. as a direct response to the CentOS project's shift to CentOS Stream. Designed to be a free and open-source replacement for CentOS, AlmaLinux offers stability and compatibility with RedHat Enterprise Linux. AlmaLinux is community-driven, evolving based on user feedback. Its stability is one of its strongest selling points. AlmaLinux provides a rock-solid foundation for enterprise applications. Chapter 3. CentOS. The evolution to CentOS Stream. CentOS has long been a favorite among system administrators and enterprises for its stability and RHEL compatibility. However, the recent transition to CentOS Stream has introduced significant changes, causing a stir in the Linux community. CentOS Stream is now a rolling release distribution that sits between Fedora and RHEL. It serves as a preview of future RHEL releases, making it more of a development platform. This shift provides early access to new features but introduces unpredictability. Enterprises may need to weigh the benefits of early access against the potential risks. Chapter 4. RedHat, the Enterprise Gold Standard. RedHat Enterprise Linux, or RAL, has long been the gold standard for enterprise Linux distributions. Known for its robust support, comprehensive subscription model, and extensive ecosystem, RHEL is the go-to choice for many businesses. Its enterprise-grade support includes access to Red Hat's world-class team, regular updates, and security patches. The subscription model offers various tiers of support and services, catering to businesses of all sizes. This ensures enterprises have the resources needed for a secure and stable environment. Thanks for watching. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. Each of these Linux distributions offers unique features and benefits. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. See you in the next video.